We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can perform a horizontal calibration for this DJI RSC 2 gimbal. So to start, you will need to switch the gimbal on, power it on, then go into settings by pressing the left side dial. Here find the advanced options or just advanced. Open them, then use this dial, scroll the dial to navigate and find the horizontal or HardReset calibration, then start the process, and now simply wait for it to, finish. So the horizontal calibration has been performed successfully. I guess that means that this video has reached its end, so thanks for watching and bye bye.